Okay, so now to get Python to work, we're going to have to install it. So on the left-hand side, just go to Extensions, and we're going to do Python. So let's click on this one and say Install. Okay, so that is now installed. So now we can actually create a Python file, and we can start coding this. Okay, so while we're in here, if you go here to View Terminal, or you push Control and the back tick, it'll open up a Windows PowerShell at the bottom here. So if you say dir, it works just like a normal PowerShell. So let's try this. Let's say Python. Okay, and now let's try just a simple hello world. So print, open parentheses, hello world, close parentheses, and that works. So Python has been installed, and we can run it using our terminal. In the next session, we will start using our Python with our Visual Studio Code to start using regex and see how that works in Python. So, see you then.